let's wake up! We have to finish the job with him today. I hope everything goes well. Let's get down to work. Help me! Help me!
Please call the police for me.
Help me! What is wrong with him? We have to help him. Let's do it. We can do it. Hey, I'm here. Okay, done. Found it. Okay, let's go. I'm not fine at all. Ah, it hurts. You'll be okay. Wonderful. Keep going, keep going. We made it! We made it! That's all right, thanks. Whoa, you are great. Hello, I need to wash the car.
Hi!
Let's get started. Wow, great! Wow, it looks good. Such a nice car. Hooray! Thanks for helping me, guys. See you again.
Bye-bye!
Goodbye. Oh my God! What the heck is going on? Come here, come here. Stop immediately. I think you need help. My car was stolen. Give me that task. Something's wrong. It's over there.
Shh, be quiet.
Ready, we have to stop them. No! It's very dangerous ahead. Oh no! Help me! It's very dangerous ahead. Hello? Hello? Is anybody here? Let's do it! Stop the car! We have to move it out of here. Are you okay, buddy? Call everyone over to help us. Don't worry, I'm here. Keep going. Hurry up! Hurry up!
Hey, you! Hey!
Follow me! Run! Run! Move! Move! I'm sorry.
NANI?!
No! Oh my God! Hello, I need your help. Give me that task.
Bye bye.
Here I come. Arrive. Okay, done. See you again.
Please help me!
What is wrong with him? What is going on? Call everyone over to help us. Okay, let's get started. Hooray! Thanks for helping me, guys.
Bye bye.
Oh no! Hello, I need support. I get it. Hurry up. Very good. Wonderful. Hooray! Thanks for helping me, guys. Be careful. See you again. We have to finish the job with him today. Wow, great! Arrive. Okay, done. Let's go home. See you again. What is this? Stop the car.
Ouch!
Wow, so attractive. Let's go in there and try it. It's a good idea. Let's go. Hurry up. I like it so much. Wow, great. Wonderful.
Whoa!
Go, go, go. Wow, great. Keep going. Everything was delicious. Let's get started. No! Wonderful. Oh no! Look, what did we do? It's all broken. Run! Run! Move! Oh my god! What the heck is going on? Who made it like this? I will ask someone for help. Come on, let's go! Hurry up! Hurry up! Wait for me! Go, go, go! It looks so scary. Stop, stop. Oh no. Are you okay, buddy? I'm not fine at all.
Help me!
Don't worry, I will ask someone for help. We have to help him. Okay, we'll get there immediately. Oh yeah. Here I come. All right. Let's get started. We made it! We made it! Hooray! Thanks for helping me, guys. Nothing is impossible. I need your help. Give me that task. Oh no! We need to go and apologize to him. Okay, let's go. Go, go, go! Sorry, we were the ones who destroyed your garden. Really? You too? Please come and clean up the garden for me. See you again. Thanks.
Bye bye.
Follow me. Okay, we will go. Stop the car. We have to finish the job with him today.
Sir, yes, sir!
We can do it. Wow, it looks good. Sorry for what we did. Okay, no problem.